The Toyota Hilux isn't just a pickup truck, it's a global icon of durability, a workhorse proven across continents and conditions, from harsh deserts to bustling urban jungles. The Hilux Revo, its latest iteration, continues this formidable legacy, engineered to withstand the most demanding challenges. But what exactly goes into crafting such an enduring machine? Today, we take you inside the highly advanced factory where the Hilux Revo comes to life, meticulously examining each critical stage of its production. We'll uncover the processes that define its renowned toughness, starting right from the fundamental material itself. The journey of a Hilux Revo begins with colossal coils of steel, the foundational raw material that will eventually form the robust body panels. This isn't just any steel, it's specially selected for its strength, ductility, and resilience, properties critical for a vehicle designed for heavy-duty use. The manufacturing process starts with these precise specifications. These massive coils are carefully unspooled and fed into the first stage of transformation, the stamping shop. This initial phase sets the tone for the entire production, where precision and material integrity are paramount to achieving the Hilux's legendary toughness from the ground up. Once the steel coils reach the stamping line, they undergo a dramatic transformation. Gigantic hydraulic presses, powerful enough to exert thousands of tons of force, precisely cut and form the flat sheets into complex, three-dimensional body panels. Each panel, from the sturdy side doors to the rugged fenders, is meticulously shaped to the Hilux Revo's design specifications. This process requires incredible accuracy to ensure every panel fits perfectly later in the assembly. The integrity of these stamped panels is crucial. They define the vehicle's structural rigidity and contribute significantly to its overall crashworthiness and long-term durability. The backbone of the Hilux Revo's renowned strength is its ladder chassis, a robust frame designed to endure extreme loads and torsion. The production of this critical component begins on the frame line, where specialized machinery precisely cuts raw steel beams. These beams are not merely chopped, they are intricately profiled and drilled to exact specifications, creating the initial segments of the ladder frame. This precision cutting ensures that every mounting point, every structural support, aligns perfectly during subsequent assembly stages, which is fundamental to the vehicle's structural integrity and its capacity to handle challenging terrains and heavy payloads without compromise. Following cutting and drilling, the individual steel sections of the ladder chassis move to the welding stations. Here, a combination of advanced robotic welders and skilled human technicians fuse these components together. The chassis must be incredibly rigid and capable of resisting twisting forces, especially under off-road conditions or when carrying heavy loads. Therefore, the welding process is meticulously controlled to ensure every joint is perfectly executed, creating an unyielding, high-strength frame. This systematic welding guarantees the structural integrity that underpins the Hilux Revo's legendary toughness and longevity, ready to tackle any adventure or task. The axles are fundamental to a pickup's capability, dictating how power is transferred to the wheels and how the vehicle handles diverse terrains. On the assembly line, the front and rear axles are meticulously put together. This involves fitting robust differentials, half shafts, and sturdy housings, all engineered to withstand immense stress and impact. Each component is chosen for its resilience, ensuring that the Hilux Revo can reliably put power to the ground, whether on smooth highways or rugged trails. This detailed assembly guarantees the vehicle's ability to maintain traction and carry substantial loads, cornerstones of its utilitarian design. For a vehicle like the Hilux Revo, which navigates varied conditions, the suspension and steering systems are paramount for both ride comfort and driver control. Here, robust leaf springs or coil springs, along with shock absorbers, are integrated onto the chassis, designed to absorb impacts and maintain tire contact with the road. Simultaneously, the steering rack and linkage systems are assembled and connected, guaranteeing precise control. The meticulous calibration of these systems ensures that the Hilux Revo delivers a stable and predictable ride, even with a full load or when traversing challenging off-road landscapes, marrying toughness with refined drivability. Safety is non-negotiable, and the Hilux Revo's braking system is engineered for uncompromising performance in all conditions. The assembly process involves the precise installation of disc brakes, calipers, brake lines, and the master cylinder. Each component is carefully fitted and tested to ensure maximum stopping power and reliability. This system is designed not just for everyday driving, but also to handle the significant stopping demands of a heavy-duty pickup, especially when loaded or towing. The meticulous assembly and calibration of these brakes provide drivers with confidence and control, a testament to Toyota's commitment to safety and engineering excellence. While the chassis provides the structural base, the body-in-white (BIW) forms the vehicle's unpainted outer shell, comprising the cab and pickup bed. This stage is a symphony of automated precision. Robot arms, moving with incredible speed and accuracy, weld hundreds of individual stamped panels together. The goal is to create a rigid, unified structure that not only meets stringent safety standards but also provides a durable, quiet, and comfortable cabin. The BIW process is crucial for the Hilux Revo's overall structural integrity, ensuring consistent panel gaps and alignments that are essential for quality and occupant protection. The body-in-white phase heavily relies on advanced robotics for welding, a practice that guarantees unparalleled consistency and strength. Human operators oversee these automated processes, performing quality checks, but the welding itself is largely handled by synchronized robots. These robots apply precise spot welds and seam welds, ensuring every joint is as strong as the material itself. This consistency is vital for a vehicle like the Hilux Revo, which demands uniform structural integrity across every unit produced. Such automation minimizes human error, resulting in a robust, uniform body structure capable of enduring the rigors of its intended use. The construction of the doors, hood, and tailgate is a distinct yet equally precise process. These components are not merely panels, they are complex assemblies that incorporate internal strengthening structures, hinges, and mounting points. They are built on their own subassembly lines before being moved to the main body line. Here, meticulous alignment is paramount. Each door, the hood, and the tailgate must fit perfectly within the body-in-white, ensuring consistent panel gaps, smooth operation, and optimal sealing against weather and noise. This attention to detail contributes to both the Hilux Revo's aesthetic quality and its functional durability, critical for its long lifespan. Before any color can be applied, the body-in-white undergoes an intensive pre-treatment process, a critical step often overlooked but vital for longevity. This involves a series of chemical baths that clean the metal thoroughly, removing any oils, dirt, or microscopic contaminants from the manufacturing process. Following cleaning, a conversion coating is applied. This coating primes the metal surface, enhancing paint adhesion and, more importantly, providing the first line of defense against corrosion. This meticulous preparation ensures the Hilux Revo's finish will withstand harsh environments and time, a foundational aspect of its long-term durability. After pre-treatment, the Hilux Revo body proceeds to the e-coat, or electrocoat, station. Here, the entire body is submerged into a bath of electrically charged primer particles. Through an electrochemical reaction, these particles bond uniformly to every surface, inside and out, even in hidden crevices. This process ensures complete and consistent coverage, creating an incredibly robust, impermeable layer of rust protection. The e-coat is then baked at high temperatures to cure and harden, forming a formidable shield against moisture and rust. This advanced technique is indispensable for the Hilux's legendary resistance to environmental degradation. With the protective e-coat in place, the Hilux Revo bodies move into sterile, dust-free paint booths. Here, robotic arms precisely apply multiple layers of color paint, ensuring an even and vibrant finish. Following the color application, a clear coat layer is applied. This clear coat isn't just for shine, it's a vital protective shield, offering enhanced scratch resistance, UV protection, and long-term durability against environmental elements. Each layer is meticulously baked at specific temperatures to cure, resulting in a glossy, hard-wearing finish that preserves the vehicle's appearance for years. It's where aesthetics meet the Hilux's inherent toughness. The heart of any vehicle is its engine, and for the Hilux Revo, it's a powerhouse designed for reliability and performance. In a separate, highly specialized area of the factory, engines are meticulously prepared and partially assembled. This involves installing critical components like cylinder heads, manifolds, and fuel systems onto the engine block. Each part is torqued to exact specifications, and every connection is checked for integrity. These subassemblies streamline the main production line, ensuring that when the engine reaches the final assembly stage, it is already a robust, highly functional unit, ready to be integrated into the chassis. Complementing the powerful engine is the meticulously crafted transmission, responsible for efficiently transferring power to the wheels. Like the engine, the transmission undergoes a detailed subassembly process in a dedicated area. Gears, shafts, bearings, and hydraulic components are carefully installed into the transmission housing. This requires immense precision to ensure smooth and reliable shifting, crucial for the Hilux Revo's driving performance and fuel efficiency. Once assembled, these transmissions are rigorously tested for proper function before they are dispatched to the main assembly line, guaranteeing they meet Toyota's exacting standards for durability and operation. The most iconic moment on the assembly line, often called the marriage station, is where the beautifully painted body is united with the fully assembled rolling chassis. This is a highly synchronized and automated process. The body is carefully lowered from an overhead conveyor, aligning perfectly with the engine, transmission, axles, and suspension system on the chassis below. Robots and skilled technicians work in harmony to secure hundreds of bolts and connections, ensuring a precise and robust union. This crucial step transforms disparate components into a unified, functional vehicle, ready for the final stages of interior and exterior fitting. After the marriage, the Hilux Revo moves through the final assembly stages. This is where the interior comes to life, with dashboards, seats, wiring harnesses, and infotainment systems being meticulously installed. Exterior components like lights, bumpers, trim, and wheels are fitted. Throughout these stages, continuous quality checks are performed by both automated systems and highly trained human inspectors. Every function, every connection, every panel gap is scrutinized to ensure it meets Toyota's stringent global standards. This unwavering commitment to quality ensures that every Hilux Revo rolling off the line is ready to perform and endure. From the initial stamping of steel to the final tightening of bolts, every stage of the Toyota Hilux Revo's manufacturing process is a testament to precision engineering, advanced robotics, and dedicated human craftsmanship. It's a carefully choreographed symphony designed to build a vehicle that is not just tough by reputation, but tough by design, through and through. The meticulous attention to detail in the creation of its ladder chassis, the advanced anti-corrosion treatments, and the rigorous quality control systems all contribute to its legendary durability. This deep dive reveals why the Hilux Revo consistently delivers on its promise of unwavering performance and resilience, wherever the road, or lack thereof, may lead.